Hi, Warren and Julia, I believe. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to take a look at yours. Warren, yours popped up first. So this is a cute drawing. You're really good at sketching, but it's so word dependent. It can only run in an American publication, and the words really do all the heavy lifting for you. Like if you take off the words, I see the copper tone kid and the dog and a palm tree. So consider that if you develop this one further, how can you get this across without the words? When the past comes back, winds of recession. Okay. Circle of strife. Again, great drawing. You're very talented at sketching. But without these words, uh, it's just a Lion King drawing. Um, I like this one more than those other two because these two are somebody else's like cartoon concept and they already come with heavy connotations on their own. This one is a baby, and these words do tell a story, but uh, how could you do the same thing without adding the words? So tax cuts, tax breaks, pay increase. You could just do this with money. Let's see if there's any images under tax cut illustration. Let's see what other people have done, and maybe you can get some inspiration from there. So a pair of scissors, tax cut. Seems like people use scissors a lot. Fine, that's a great idea. I don't think you can illustrate tax without the word. So let's see. How about recession? Roller coaster ride. It's a pretty difficult concept. And again, like I said, your sketches are fantastic, but just really think about how you can eliminate the words entirely. Tax breaks, pay increase. That you could easily do with a stack of coins. So, I mean, you could do coins, scissors, cut up paper. You could surround this baby with visual symbols of money, and without the words, I think that would get the tone across. All right, so that's something to think about. Let me know if you have any questions or you want to brainstorm some more. All right, Julia. Pardon my stomach. I hope you can't hear it. Come on. Okay. I think you could do this without the words. If she's a teacher during the day, you could do a left panel that showed a chalkboard and her standing like this, like a bossy teacher. And the 1 + 1 = 2, that's great. You could leave that on the board. That's international numbers. And then at the night, I would put her in the exact same outfit, maybe give her some lines under her eyes. Oh, I see. She's working at McDonald's. That, yeah, so just maybe left side this, right side that. And you could even put in a little window that showed the moon and the sun. Student's house, teacher's house. Yeah. Well, that's funny and true. Um, could you show this without the words though? That's my number one concern with looking at everybody's work. Does the concept come across without words? And the answer is no, but it's a great drawing, great concept. I love like the double window idea there. Maybe you could actually, take the teacher from the top drawing and put her in front of this and then show a kid playing ball or something if that's a concept you really like. Yeah, so this one, without all those words, the concept isn't clear. So think again about how you could show this. You could show graduation cap. You could just show some pennies. You could show this guy. I mean, you could show him working at McDonald's and get your concept across. So that's really my main concern for both of you. How can you get your ideas across without words doing all the work? And I think you both have some good concepts. Just keep brainstorming. Let me know if you have any questions.